the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Metro by T-Mobile. So Metro has a great deal going on right now, guys, so I suggest you guys check out this deal if you guys are interested. This deal is fucking insane. It says buy one get one free. They're talking about the Galaxy A6 and the LG Q7 Plus. So this is a pretty cool deal. So you buy one get one free. So that is pretty cool. So I wonder if you can buy a Galaxy A6 and get the Q7 Plus for free, or vice versa. So a good deal, like I said. These phones are pretty good mid-range phones that have great specs for what they are. Great specs on these phones. Phones look nice. I mean, this phone's spec-wise, these phones are great in terms of specs for what they are. There's a budget phone, there's a mid-range phones, and they have great specs on them and all that. So it says here, huge screens, incredible 16 megapixel cameras, loads of memory, yes, yes, and yes. Buy one get one free. Unlimited LTE rate plan required. Of course, you have to get the $50 or $60 plan, and sales tax and activation fee not included. You will have to pay for that. So yeah, it says all the great features you need. The Galaxy A6 is on the left, the LG Q7 Plus is on the right. The Galaxy A6 has a 5.6-inch display there. It is Super AMOLED. It has 16 megapixel cameras on front and back, 32 gigabytes of RAM. The LG Q7 has a 5.5-inch display, full vision display there, 16 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 64 gigabytes of RAM. So that is a win there. It says buy one get the second one for free. So you buy one get one free, so that's a plus. So I wonder if you can buy a Galaxy A6 and get the Q7 Plus for free, or vice versa. I wonder, or if you want to just buy a Galaxy A6 and get a free Galaxy A6 or something like that. So you know, so the full retail price of the Galaxy A6 is $359. The full retail price of the LG Q7 Plus is $329. But I mean, specs on this phone are pretty fucking good. These specs are great for what they are. So it says get simply smarter wireless with our $60 unlimited high-speed data plan, and you guys get 15 gigabytes of mobile hotspot, BOGO One, of course, and Amazon Prime, all included on the blazing fast T-Mobile network. So y'all guys get all that stuff there. So if you guys want to know how to get this, I think you have to get to a store. So you do have to go to a Metro PCS store and get this. So go to your local Metro PCS store and check this out. I don't know if it's for current customers or not. I'm sure it is for anyone. So I mean, if you're a current customer, try it out. I mean, go to your local Metro PCS store and see. I don't know how long this deal will be good for, so if you guys are interested, get this deal while you can. It's for a limited time only. You have to get to a Metro store. I mean, buy one get one free. Shit, that's a good deal right there, man. These phones, they look nice, great specs. I mean, this is a great deal that Metro is going on right now, man. I mean, shout out to Metro for this, man. This is as good as their free Apple AirPods deal that they're going on for Black Friday. So I mean, this is fucking insane, you know. These are pretty great. These are really good mid-range smartphones, great specs and all that, you know. They're both assembly specs similarly. The Q7 Plus has more storage and more RAM, but other than that, I mean, the two phones not a slouch whatsoever. Great phones, great specs and whatnot. So don't know how long this deal will last. You have to get to a Metro store to get this. So buy one get one free. It's a great deal. You have to get an unlimited data plan, of course, and you have to pay for sales taxes and activation fee, because those not included. You have to pay for that. I'm sure that this is for new customers. Obviously, don't know about current customers, but if you guys are interested, go to your local Metro PCS store and find out. And this is a great deal, man. This is a great deal. I mean, Metro is killing it right now on these deals with the buy one get one free on the phones and the free AirPods. I mean, Metro is killing it right now. Metro is killing it right now. No other prepaid carrier is coming close to this right now. Metro is killing it, yo. So shout out to Metro for this, man. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this deal, go to your local Metro PCS store and find out. It's a win. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.